The sun is out, we've got blue skies, so the C43 is clean. Time for another video. Today I'm going to go over some hints, tips and tricks with the C43. I'm sure plenty of them have been covered elsewhere before, but hopefully we'll reveal some new ones and some of them may be useful. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so nice, quick, simple one. Locking of the car. As you can see, wing mirrors folding in. I always set my cars to do this. Two reasons: it tucks them out of the way so they don't get clipped, and also when you look back at the vehicle, it gives you an indication that you have remembered to lock the car. Here's one we all probably know about. So unlocking the vehicle, maybe in the summer for example, when the car's really warm inside, you would come to it, press to unlock, press again and hold, and as you can see, the windows go down. So by the time you get to the car, some fresh air will have found its way inside and cooled the car down. Okay, so here's another really simple one. You go to refuel. I've seen a few people not know about this one. Got your cap, keep the cord out of the way. It just sits there on its own little clip. Why on earth would you want to hang it down there, touching your paintwork? Up, out the way, much better. This one is probably very personal, but inside the car you can see I don't have my AMG Mats. I've got a spare replacement set that during the winter months I put in, takes the brunt of the wear and tear and keeps the AMG Mats nice and pristine. And same in the back. I've currently got mats on top of mats, keeping them nice, clean and new. Here's a great example of that. Went out in the car a couple of days ago and my rear passenger, naming no names, has left me a treat. This next one is also probably quite personal to me, but quite useful too. Ordinarily I like to have my passenger seat quite far back so that when I have a passenger sat there I can still see quite easily out of the side window. However, if I was to then want rear passengers, there clearly wouldn't be enough space for them to be comfortable. So what I do is I allocate memory seat position 1 to what I consider to be the correct position that would allow a rear passenger to be comfortable, along with a front passenger still not being sat too far forward, blocking my field of view. It's just a quick, easy way to get the position spot on, so they're not fumbling around with the controls. Just one simple press of a button and the job's done. I've always been very impressed with the storage in the C43, so let me take you through a few of those areas now. The first thing is a glasses holder. Can't fit anything in there too large, but just a normal pair of specs easily go in there, nicely out of the way. The next thing is here with the cup holders / chewing gum holders. As you can see, there's a little tag toggle thing there. Pull that back, cup holders come out. You've then got a very decent storage area. Same thing, back in, secure back in place, cup holders. Okay, so here's a good one. In the center armrest where you might keep your banana, I'll explain in a moment, there is, as you can see, a slot, and in there is about the perfect size for a wallet. Slides in, not quite deep enough, but yeah, Mine goes in there quite nicely, and that's the way I tend to keep it. Nice and secure, out of the way. Now, I know you can't stop thinking about the banana, so here's what it's for. Let me demonstrate. The door bins, as you can see, also have some little compartments up there. I tend to keep a microfiber cloth in mine. Like so. You can't have too many microfiber cloths, especially if you've got the black gloss interior. But the banana is for demonstrating just how deep these are. See? All the way in. And there's two layers as well. There's a top and a bottom. So if you really like bananas, you could have two. Same on the passenger side. Here's one for the boot. I always keep a crate in the back, but I can't stand rattles and noises in cars. So as you can see, I like to bungee strap the crate in place with the metal toggles. Keeps it nice, secure, and all my stuff is in the crate, and nothing's sliding around in the back of the boot. And there's my mats ready for the summer. One more for the boot. I just enjoy pressing the button. Carrier bag holder. 90% recycled. Well done, One Stop. Anyway, as you can see, there's a fabric toggle. Pull that down, and there's plastic hooks for your handles to wrap around. Keep your carrier bags nice and secure and stop them sliding around in the boot. Okay, so there you have it. Some hints, tips and tricks for the C43. Hopefully at least one of them will be of some use to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you.